friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our new topic, that is money. And this is our chapter number 30. So let's start our topic. So okay, here we are having some pictures of different types of articles for with their prices. If we look here, we are having one a toffee that is of 1 rupee, kite for 5 rupees, this table is for 60 rupees, and this bottle of 100 rupees, and this is for 80 rupees. So this is a case of example that we have to pay some price in the form of rupees to buy an article. So we have to give them money according to the prices. So now let's see what we are having here. So everyone of you must have went to the market. You have to pay money to buy the things. And the money in our country is rupees and paise. So this is a currency in which we have to deal in our day-to-day life items or services. So here the currency of every country is different. Just like India has a currency in rupees and paise. Just like in America they have dollar as a currency, and in Euro maybe they're young euro. Okay, so let's see what we are having here. So first thing we are having, that is are coins. If we talk about the coins, we are having 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin, 20 rupees coin. And the sign of rupees is this. Okay. So come to our next part. We are having counting money. So we have to just look for the coins and count them, just like normal addition and subtraction type. Okay, here we are having 1 rupee coin too. So 1 plus 1, we are having 2 rupees. So here we are having 2 rupee coin, 2 plus 2 plus 1. So we are having 5 rupees coin. Okay, so let's see what we are having here. That is our exercise 13.1. So from here we are having 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So we are having here 9 rupees. Clear? So in this way, we are going to solve these questions. So come to our next part. Okay. Here we are having B. Match the price of each item to the total money. Okay. So let's see what we are having. Okay. There is a price of chocolate is 10 rupees. So have you seen 10 rupees anywhere? Mm, okay. Okay. Let's see this one. We are having here 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10. So we can say that this chocolate price, we have to pay this price. Okay. Next, let's see. The price of teddy bear is 35. So look where we are having 35. I think this one. So here we are in 20 plus 10 plus 5. This is 30 plus 5. That it is 35. So price of teddy bear is this one. Clear? So in this way, you have to solve all the parts. Now come to next part. Let us see. Fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. Okay. So okay, here we are having second part, that is 10 rupee coin are equal to 20 rupees. So how many coins are required to make 20 rupees? So I think two coins of 10 rupees are required to make 20 rupees. Okay. So here we are having 20 rupee coins are equals to 100 rupees. So 25 is a 100. Okay, huh. So here we are having 5 coins of 20 rupees, that is equals to 100 rupees. So we now come to D part. Here we are having D part, fill in the blanks. Okay, 10. 1 coin are equal to 10 rupees. Okay, next come to third part, that is there are 3 10 coins are equals to 30 rupees. So next we are having our currency in notes. That is our paper currency. Okay. So here we are having 1 rupee note, then 2 rupees note, 5 rupee note. These are the least circulated number of notes in our economy nowadays because we have so much expensive things. So minimum we are going to use a 10 rupee note for most of the transactions. For below 10 we are having coins. Clear? So rarely we get the 1 rupee and 2 rupee and 5 rupee notes. We always find out the number of coins there. Clear? So come here. Next thing is 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Okay. Here we are having 10 rupee note. That is 20 rupees note. That 50 rupees note and 100 rupee note. Then 200 rupee note and 500 rupee notes. Okay. These notes are used for buying and selling of goods and services. And these notes are printed by our central bank, that is RBI. Clear? That is the father of all the banks here. So come to our next part. Okay, now we are having our exercise 13.2. So here we are having question that is circle the notes and coins needed to make up the given amount. Okay. So here we are having 5 rupees. So we will choose this coin simple. We are having 5 rupees. Okay, here we find out 11 rupees. So this 5 rupee note, this 5 rupee coin and this 1 rupee note, we have 11 rupees. Clear? Okay, thank you so much students for listening us carefully. Now you all have to do is practice. Now see you next video. Till then, all the best.